What's up guys, Romsicle here, and this is the EnGenius ESR530 mesh router from Qualcomm. It's their first consumer mesh router made for both home applications as well as business workloads. This network router makes it easier for you to have good connections all around your building, leaving no dead spots and also strengthening your Wi-Fi connections. Inside the box you get a manual, Ethernet cable, power cable, some screws for mounting, and the aesthetically pleasing EnGenius router with a gloss white exterior. This router sports a dual-band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi with speeds up to 867 megabytes per second on 5G and 400 megabytes per second on 2.4G frequencies. And it comes at around $130 for two of these. And if you want more specs, check out the link in the description. So the way this mesh router works is that you need a few of these mesh routers around your house or building, and it connects to your main router to receive a network. But as it connects to your main network, it can also create a different network for you to be in. It's basically splitting off your main internet into a side network that only you and your friends and business partners use. Setup of this router is super simple. You just use the EnGenius app found on Android Play Store or the iOS App Store to connect everything, and you'll be set up within 10 minutes. And with this router, not only you can manage your own network, you can also use the same network to transfer files over to different devices with the EnFile app, also found in the Play Store and App Store. With the app, you can easily see your current upload and download speeds, change parental controls, and change your network name and passwords. You also have the IP address network settings, where you can manually configure all your settings such as DNS types, IPv6 addresses, channels, frequencies, and even airtime fairness. You can even choose to prioritize the 5 GHz frequency over the 2.4 GHz to get better download speeds if your priority is speed over distance. And since these mesh routers already give you that extra distance, I would definitely choose to force 5 GHz just because I need those faster download speeds. The only downside of these awesome mesh routers is the price. It's definitely not something everyone will use. In the time that I've been using it for around a month, it's done a good job with increasing my Wi-Fi range and allowing me to get stronger Wi-Fi connections all around my house. But it's definitely not needed for my personal usage. My regular router is right underneath my office, and I can get good enough connections on 5 GHz Wi-Fi that I don't even need any kind of extenders. If you live in an average-sized home, it's more cost-efficient for you to get a Wi-Fi repeater or a Wi-Fi extender rather than these mesh routers, since you need at least 2 of these mesh routers to use its features and at least 3 of them to get the best coverage to performance ratio. But if you're in a large area or in a business office, this ESR530 mesh router is definitely a great option out there because it's a little cheaper than most of the mesh routers out there, and it also gives around the same performance, which is good. If you're interested in these mesh routers, links are going to be in the description down below as always. And let me know what you guys think about these mesh routers and whether they're worth it or not. I'm still pretty new to the idea of having mesh routers since I personally have no need for them, but maybe you require it, so read up on those links. Thanks for watching this video guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.